Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to migrate your website from one URL to another. So I'm gonna use my website as an example here. As you can see, I have the first website called reggiebeatz.com and I have another one called reggiebeatz.media. So I want to move the reggiebeatz.media to reggiebeatz.com, but I want to make it as a subdomain. So I want it to be academy.reggiebeatz.com. So to do this, I'm gonna go to my Hostinger account and I'm gonna go to websites, and now I'm gonna go to add website and select migrate website. Here I have to put the link where I'm migrating my website to. So remember I said it's academy.reggiebeatz.com. Okay, then select it and click next. Alright, so now I need to put the website link of the website that I'm migrating from, so which is this one, reggiebeatz.media. I'm gonna copy the link and just paste it here and click next. Here I'm gonna select the WordPress platform since we're using WordPress and click next. I'm gonna click on I will provide WordPress admin details because I don't want to upload any files. I'm gonna select that one and click next, then click next again. Okay, so here you need to provide a link of a login page of the main website that you are migrating from, which is this one. My login page is account, so I'm gonna click on account. So you can see this is where I log in. So if yours is WP admin or it's /login, just need to put it the way it is here. So I'm gonna copy this link, I'm gonna come paste it here, and I'm gonna enter my login details, my admin login details. I'm gonna click next. Okay, cool, everything seems good, and it says the migration might take up to 48 hours. So I'm gonna click on submit, and you can see we have our migration pending here. So I'm gonna wait for it to finish. Alright, so after a couple of hours later, I would say just give it a day and check it the next day. So you can see the migration process is completed. Now I'm gonna open up this link to see if the information was migrated. So I'm gonna click here and paste it, and boom, here's my website now fully migrated. And if you look at the main website now, it's still there as well, and the information now matches. Alright, that's how you migrate a WordPress website using Hostinger. If you wanna set up a Hostinger account, the link will be in the description below. And here's how the page looks like. You can come here and select whatever plan that you want, so you can be able to host your website and do the migrations. Please hit the thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe if you don't want to miss out on these videos, and lastly, if you have any questions, put them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.